This is the Hey There stamp and die set from Spellbinders. There are 5 clear stamps sentiments as well as 15 cutting dies in the set. The dies to create the cow, the milk pail, as well as the stool are very easy to put together. When you use Spellbinders dies, they often have little lines that get embedded in them to show you exactly where the pieces fit. So there's very little guesswork. I also like to use a liquid glue when I'm doing this because it gives you a little bit of room and wiggle time to move things in place. Reverse tweezers are also very helpful, especially for the really tiny pieces, so that you can keep your fingers out of the way while you're adding glue. Anytime I'm putting pieces together like this, I like to put them together in different sections, and I also use an acrylic block to hold them down nice and flat to make sure that that glue has good contact while that glue is drying. For these particular ones, I also use some velvet cardstock to add a little bit of a soft texture to the cow, and I really love the final result of it. Using different textures of cardstock or different types of cardstock is really helpful, and the milk pail, I use some silver cardstock to give it that shiny metallic look. These die sets are really great for using up cardstock scraps, and I love that the back legs are separate on the cow, so you get a little bit more visual dimension from it. There's also a hat for this particular guy. I didn't actually put it on this card that I created, but I love the final result.